What's going on, everybody? It's DiecastPassion channel here, and today I'm gonna show you my new model, which is Bentley Continental GT V8 Coupe 1/18 scale by GT Spirit. It costs about 90 euros, but I had some vouchers so price was lower, and it's limited edition for ckmodelcars.de, and because of that it has very nice blue metallic color. Normally GT Spirit offers green version, and I think it's pretty too, but I like this blue color more. And it's my second GT Spirit model. First was Porsche 911 Carrera 4S, and it's one of my favorite. So I'm excited about this one. So let's unbox it and So another good looking model from GT Spirit in my collection. But first, let's talk about 4 great things on this Bentley. You know, I'm very happy when model has perforated grills, car look much more realistic, and Bentley has 3 separated front grills, and all 3 are perforated in high quality. I also like when brake discs look real, and this is another great thing on this model. Third thing is these chrome body strips. Model look much better with it. And last thing is that awesome color. This blue is stunning and I'm glad that I've chosen this instead of green. So, that were bright sides, and now just one weak point. The glasses. I can easily dent it. But after all, another great piece from GT Spirit, and I'm glad to add this Bentley to my collection. I hope that this video may help you with your choice, and thanks for watching. And if you want, write me to comments what's your another diecast goal, what's gonna be your next model. Thanks and see you soon.